Well, hey there. Welcome back to the Equitable Money Project, where we talk all things small business finance and how to keep more money in your pocket. If you're new here, I'm Meg Wheeler, and I am a CPA and small business owner just like you. Let me guess, you're running your business from your couch, your kitchen table, or maybe a tiny desk crammed into the corner of your bedroom. We've all been there. If your home is pulling double duty as your office, or if you're constantly glued to your phone and internet while running your business, then you might be leaving money on the table by not taking these deductions. In this video, we're breaking down how to deduct your home office expenses, the rules for deducting your cell phone usage, and what to know about deducting your internet costs. Grab a pen because we're about to save you some serious cash. Let's start with the big one, the home office deduction. To qualify, you need to meet two key criteria. First, exclusive use, that the space you're claiming has to be used only for business. So you can't claim your kitchen table unless it's strictly your workspace and not where you eat your cereal. Second, regular use. This space has to be used regularly for your business. If you use it once a month, sorry, no deduction for you. Now, there are two methods to calculate the home office deduction. The first option is the simplified method. This is where you get $5 per square foot of your home office up to 300 square feet. It's easy to calculate, but it might be leaving money on the table if your actual expenses are higher. Now, the second option is the actual expenses method. This one requires more math, but it's often worth it. Here, you'll calculate your home office as a percentage of your home's total square footage. Then you'll apply that percentage to your rent or mortgage interest, utilities, property taxes, home insurance, and even maintenance costs. Pro tip, if you're renting, don't skip this deduction. Rent is often one of the largest expenses small business owners have, and this deduction can help you reclaim some of that money. Next up, your cell phone. Let's be real, your phone is basically an extension of your hand when you're running a business. So can you deduct it? Yes, but there's a catch. If your phone is used for both personal and business purposes, you can only deduct the business portion of the bill. Here's how to calculate that. First, estimate what percentage of your phone usage is for your business. For example, 70%. Then apply that percentage to your monthly bill. If your monthly bill is $100 and 70% is your business usage, then you can deduct $70 per month. Now, a pro tip, if you use your phone primarily for business, consider getting a separate business phone or line. That way, the entire expense is deductible and you won't have to deal with splitting it up. Now, let's talk about the internet, because how else are you running your business? Just like your cell phone, you can only deduct the business portion of your internet bill. But here's what you need to consider. If you're running an online business, most of your internet usage is probably for work. If your household is streaming Netflix and gaming all day, your business percentage might be lower. Pro tip, keep a simple log of your internet usage for a week or two to get a sense of the business to personal split. Now, an important reminder, if your internet is critical to your business, for example, you're a virtual assistant or running an e-commerce shop, then you might be able to justify a higher business percentage. All right, let's get into some quick fire tips to make sure you stay on the IRS's good side. First, keep receipts and records. For your home office, you'll want to hang on to your rent statements or mortgage bills, your utility bills, and receipts for repairs. For your phone and internet, you want to keep your monthly bills and also note how you calculated that business use percentage. Now, don't overdo it. Claiming 100% of your internet or cell phone when it's clearly not all business use is a red flag. Next, you'll want to consult a tax pro. If you're not sure about your calculations or deductions, talk to a CPA or a tax advisor. It's worth the investment to avoid mistakes. So here's the bottom line. If you're running your business from home using your phone and internet, you have deductions waiting to be claimed. But the key is to calculate them correctly and stay organized. Remember, these deductions aren't loopholes. They're a way to level the playing field for small business owners like you. And for marginalized business owners, every deduction counts when you're working towards building generational wealth. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep making smart money moves and growing those businesses.